Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can repair your invisible WhatsApp notifications in HOTWAV 12 Note. So at the start, if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and be sure that you have this feature activated in the off position. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Start from the notification section, check that you have this switcher in the active position, then swipe down and open the additional settings in the app. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. If yes, go back and it's time for the next step. Go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi, enable the background data and unrestricted data usage. In the next step, try to clear cache of your files, so go to the storage and cache, choose clear cache. After that, if you still don't have your alerts, tap on the clear storage and tap on OK. Remember to, before that, to make the backup of your WhatsApp, and you have to log in again, then check your notifications. If you still don't have it, open the settings and try to reset your network settings. So swipe down, go to the system, choose the reset options and select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap the reset settings, configure your pattern and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your alerts. And in the last step, try to update your system. So in the system, in the settings, go to the system update, tap on the check for updates button. If you have any, just install it, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.